Hey there, traders. This is Chris Keene from akeenpointofview.com, and this is Currency Watch. Heading into tonight's trading in Asia and Europe, we could get a bit of fireworks with the resolution to the USD presidential and congressional elections, and this could lead to a bit of volatility. Because today in North American and European trading, it was mostly sideways consolidation, as most traders remain sidelined, waiting for the news because it could dictate the price action for the remainder of the week and even extend beyond that. What we have to look for is, it's not clear cut if Obama or Romney wins, which way the price action will go in the long run. But in the short run, an Obama victory would indicate a continuation of the current fiscal policies, and we could see a bit of dollar weakness. About dollar weakness over the short term. Now, if Romney victory it would indicate maybe most likely a change in fiscal policy and maybe a quicker end to quantitative easing, and this could lead to a bit of dollar strength. So heading into tonight's trading, let's look at the EURUSD. It's sitting right here in a narrow range. The top of the range is 128.25. The bottom is this resistance zone created by the 0.382 fib at 127.34, and the top 128.50. So what we're going to need is a break of this support zone down here, and or a break of this resistance zone up here to really get me interested post-election. Now, if we get a break of the top post-election and it looks like dollar strength, our first target would be 128.25, and then we could see even a move up to this past resistance zone at 129.50 and 130.20. You can see this level held the pair twice over the last month. Now, if we get a break of the bottom side, we can have our eyes set on the 50 fib at 126.02 in the short term. The last pair we're going to take, the second pair we're going to take a look at is the Great Britain USD, because you can see this pair has been consolidating in a narrow 40 pip range over the last few days. 159.60 is the top of the bottom of the range, and the 50 fib at 0.382 fib at 160 is the top of the range. We'd have to see a break of the top of this range to indicate that we could get a push higher and have dollar strength post-election. And more than likely, I would probably look for a top of this spike lower from the beginning on Monday. And we get a break above this at 160.30. We could be on our way up to the 161.80 over the short term. Now, if we break below the bottom of the range, we could see resistance come here right away at the 50 fib at 159.03, and you have to watch the price action there, because that would also be a test of the lows from last month. And if we break that, we could see our way down to the 0.618 fib at 158. The last pair we're going to take a look at is the Aussie USD, because we know after the Reserve Bank of Australia kept interest rates unchanged, which was wildly unexpected, and actually hinted that they may be on hold for quite some time, the pair broke above this resistance level, or top of the wedge that had contained the price action over the last month or so. And but the pair didn't get much follow through, as traders have remained sidelined. So following the election results, we see dollar strength. We could go long, go long with a break, and you could see the first level of resistance would probably be here at 104.75, and then we would look for a move up to the 105.20 level. If the pair breaks lower, though, I would wait until we get a clear break of this 50 fib at 103.86, and then you could look for a push down lower to 102.50. All right, this is Chris Keene from a Keen Point of View. Everybody keep your eyes open for the presidential election results, and remember to keep your trades keen and to play it safe. And this is Currency Watch.